How to add someone in an ongoing meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and quick tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can add a participant or add someone while your meeting is ongoing. So let's say if you have already started the meeting and have not invited the person beforehand, then you can simply ring them like you do in a real phone call using the Microsoft Teams application. So let me show you how you can do this. So as here you can see, I have joined this particular meeting, and now I will invite someone over in the middle of the call with whom I have never shared this meeting link before. So how you can do this is to simply click onto this people tab that you can find over here at the top position. And once you will do this, you can see this search bar under the participants tab that says type a name. So you can simply type in a name to whom you want to ring. The name could include the actual name of the person within your organization, outside your organization, or if you have something of them like an email address as well. So you can simply type in the name from your contact as well as if you feel like. So for example, let's say if I type in Iron Man, and here you can see that a lot of people with the same name have been loaded, and I can simply click onto this request to join button, and they will be ringed to join the call, and if they accept it, they will be simply landed into this particular call, or not. If they decline, then they will not be admitted into the call. So that's how easily you can ring someone while you are in the middle of a call, or if you have already started it. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.